everyone, my name's Blanca. For today's video, we're going to be talking about period-proof underwear. Can you believe that? That sounds crazy, but it's a thing. Here I have a pair of panties that are period-proof. These can hold up to 2 tampons of your period on your heavy day. That's crazy and insane, and I don't believe it, right? So I was reached out by this company called Lilova. Their packaging looks like this, just like that, and they wanted me to try these out and review these, but there's one small problem. I agreed to this before I got pregnant. So obviously while you're pregnant you don't get a period, or at least some people don't. I heard that some people do, but let's not get into that. I don't have a period, so there's no way for me to try these right now. I didn't want to keep them waiting because I just don't. So I had one of my friends try these out. They sent me 3 different underwears and I gave her one and she tried it out on both her light day and her really heavy day, which is her first day. And she gave me all her feedback and what she thinks and do they work or do they not work. Short answer is yes, they do. I will have all their information down in the description, but it works, you guys. This is kind of crazy. And you might be thinking kind of sick too, in a way. I thought the same thing and I'm still kind of like, right? But think about the environment. Think about all the money you'll save by not buying tampons or pads, whatever you use, and just using underwear that you can just throw in your washer and hang to dry. So these make you feel dry, feel fresh, secure, and free, as they like to put it in their website. I'm gonna read you what they have on their site. Each of our underwear is made with our unique leak-resistant technology to let you #bleed in peace. It's made up of 4 layers for an ultimate protection. Then it tells you you will feel dry, moisture wicking cotton inner layer for the softness, breathability. Number 2, feel fresh, antimicrobial lining to fight bacteria and odors. Number 3, feel absorbent fabric to hold up to 2 tampons worth. And number 4, feel free leak resistant nylon outer layer to keep it all in. So how to use it? If you have a very heavy flow, you should wear your Lilova as a backup to traditional products on your heaviest days. You can also wear Lilova alone on your lightest days. So they do have like a little disclaimer saying if you're really heavy, then you should probably just wear these as backup. If you have a regular or light flow, you can wear your Lilova on every day and night on your period. Other reasons to wear your Lilova is occasional spotting, postpartum bleeding, which I will be trying after I have my baby, regular discharge, mild stress, incontinence, and light bladder leaks every day, and heavy sweats. On average, a woman yearly spends about $270 every year on period products. Same amount as you would spend on these Lilova underwears. So there's different styles. I see 4 different styles on their site and they range from $24 to $32. They even have a thong. Okay, so to my friend's story. She wore it on her lightest day, so which that to me was okay. Obviously you won't leak through. She wasn't bleeding that much. So then on her next month, I asked her to try it again on her heaviest day, and she did. She did it on her first day and she wore it at night. She was brave, and so she put the underwear on, and just in case, she laid down a towel on her bed because you never know. And she said throughout the night she kept waking up just thinking, oh my god, what am I gonna wake up to? But everything was in place, and then by the time she woke up in the morning, she got up and was expecting a big disaster on her bed, but big surprise, there wasn't. Everything was in the underwear, and the only sick thing that she said was when she went to the bathroom, she was, you know, gonna take it off, and she looked in there, it was filled with blood. But of course, you know how there's clots and things like that that come out. That was all just laying on top, which is, I mean, kind of the same as a pad in a way. I mean, not the same as a tampon, but it was just all laying right there for her to see. And yeah, so that was the only thing, but nothing spilled. She didn't leak anywhere, and this was her heaviest day, okay? She says it is pretty heavy. That's why she hadn't tried it the last time on her heaviest days, because she didn't want to leak, and you know, but this time she just decided, I'm just gonna try it and see if it works, and whatever. If I leak, I leak. That's why she laid a towel down. And yeah, it worked, and that's crazy because if you look at these, if you feel these, I was expecting like a pad or something, like something thick right here, but it's not. It's not really thick. Obviously it's gonna be just a little thicker than your regular underwear, but it just nothing like what I was expecting. Not like a pad. So you see how thin that is? This is the bottom part. That's crazy. Super thin. Then when she got in the shower, she said she just kind of threw the underwear in her tub, and then when she got out of the shower, she let it run underwater and was just holding it there while the water just kept going down on it, and just blood kept coming out more and more and more. Finally she had to squeeze it and there was a ton of blood coming out. Yeah, so then she washed it, and yeah, now she has a pair of period proof underwear. Maybe she'll use it again, but that was interesting, and it's very surprising that these actually work. And like I said, I had no idea that this was a thing. That's cool. So yeah, I'm currently 7 weeks pregnant, and I'm gonna be making my pregnancy update videos. I'm actually gonna release my 6-week pregnancy update, and then I'm gonna be doing these every week. I've been so tired lately, you know, just first trimester stuff, but I feel like this time it's kind of extreme. But anyway, I will talk about that in that video. So if you are interested in these panties, they are actually gonna give me a 20% coupon code just for my viewers, you guys. And if you're interested in buying one of these, trying them out for yourself, caring for the environment some, just saying. I'm just kidding. You can get that 20% off, and I will have all that in my description. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys become my little fam. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers soon. I'm so excited. We're a little bit away from it, but almost there. Yeah, that makes me so happy. Hopefully we can reach that pretty soon. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.